Stone Cold Groove, baby. I feel like we've been running in place without evolving any and taking the brand to the next level. That's what this whole New Waves album is supposed to do.
I want the people to feel that family vibe for this record, even though it's just crazy and busy. It's just crazy.
We playing this out full throttle.
You gotta make this a classic. We can't stuff it up under Crossroads and first of the month and then expect to succeed.
Cleveland is a very unique place, and if you can make it from here, honestly, you can make it anywhere.
The city of Cleveland will always love Bone Thugs and Harmony.
That's the magic right there. That's where a lot of all of this new rap, that's where it came from.
I think it's still coming together.
Rocking them skinny jeans and them purses. Niggas be dressing like faggots. Doing gay ass dances, but ain't saying shit when they rhyme. But if the beat's something they can dance to, then they think it's something they like. To blow my mind, these niggas be lying like they did crime or they did time like I did mine. You can look me up in May 4483.